In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can transfer from Barclays to your Revolut account. First is to download the latest application of Barclays. After downloading it, open it and head to the Pay and Transfer. Inside the Pay and Transfer, you will notice this icon which is labeled as Pay Agent or New Payee. In this part, we have to click this and then head into the screen where you have to tap on the hidden accounts or an existing account that you want to send. But for this video, we are sending into a Revolut account, so click the hidden accounts. And then after clicking it, you will be introduced into the Add New Payee button. So click this since we want to add our Revolut account. In this screen, you will notice that there is this sort code and the account number. The sort code can be found at the profile documents of your Revolut account, so just search for it and then type it in and fill these fields. And after doing that, just click the continue button and then your transfer is now done. And that's it. That's how you can transfer from Barclays to Revolut, and thank you for listening.